don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Uzweli Brian Dlamini.
Sizobuya nayo iNedbank sizobuya sizobuya nayo iNedbank sizobuya bathi noma amakhosi angavumi nayo iNedbank sizobuya bathi noma amakhosi angavumi sizobuya nayo iNedbank sizobuya sizobuya nayo iNedbank
Mesashiza manje. Igame ibona kanjani?
Ngibone kamnandi njengoba mengishilo ukuthi namhlanje sothatha 3 point. Next week sothatha
iNedbank.
Imnandi nje into ongekuyitolike ngoba iPirates masokhuluma ilanguage le Pirates into engatolikwa njengoba sifike lana sathatha 3 points siyoyalena sothatha iNedbank ayitolikwa anginatoliki
I think translator njengona
no translator no referee what it's straight so siyalena siyolanda into yethu lena iNedbank sidlale 14 games no lose straight wins sizosthatha sisele nge1 game sishaye i15 sizofika lena sithatha into yethu laba abangani bethu amazebra ingane zethu noma yini ongazibiza ngazo kodwa kusalayo
bathe mara le angeke kubuye Zweli
basho njalo
bathe le angeke kubuye Moses
uyabona ukukhuluma akufani nokwenza bathe lana ngibuyi kodwa ngiyithathile 3 points bahluleke la
ekhaya
lena ngizwenze njani ngithatha ikhabi intwami dala ngiyithatha yonke indawo
lesekhaya sidla uphuthu nobhontshisi le asidla amakoda le
akusamakota le
niksamakoda le uphuthu nobhontshisi
so bona abantu bamakota
manje laba makoda sibaphusha ubuza umbekezeli
bheka simple example uphukila
angeke abonakala
He's nowhere to be found. It's nowhere to be found.
Akekho nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to be
Yabona is simple.
Yeah.
Yabona usasi you. Okay. Yabona.
man of the match
Nasedebe
Man of the match amabhakaniya noma bafikile sifike sigcwele sasagcwalisa istadium bona bayenza ngalama flag wabo bazama ukuvala amanye ama entrance ukuthi singakwazi ukungena but yabona lento lena ngifuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi na next time angazi ukuthi isazwenza kodwa lento abayenzayo ukuthi iChiefs masize la makosta yona bayenze lento abayenzayo sisokola iPeking
usangena le
sisokola ungena estadium
bafethu
uyabona lento lena is very wrong ngoba thina makudlala iPirates thina masifika lana sivulela wonke umuntu amasango but into eyenzwa iKaizer Chiefs ngike ngayikhuluma ngathi uJessica as umuntu ohambisa marketing uke wabika wathi iChiefs my hosta la uzwenza sure ukuthi la okuvela amakhamera kuhlala abantu be-Chiefs. So today even behind the pole sayishare as
Chiefs and Pirates.
Sishare in between, but today mokunabantu abe-Chiefs we had to fight with them ukuthi baye endaweni yabo. Uyabona azelanga izimpi la, sizele ukuthi sibuke ibhola kube sisenjoy, but umuntu makazazi ukuthi uhlala lapho. Yes, but yeah, it's fine ngoba sithathile result sihamba nayo. Simnandi.
Man of the match.
Man of the match amasupporter we-Orlando Pirates bafikile naba bazilelana babakhombisa ukusupport i-Orlando Pirates and ngiyazi ngihamba nabo ngiyale eDurban naseDurban kusayo host iKaizer Chiefs sofika sibe man of the match again sithathe into yethu because lana sithathe into yethu of which it was 3 points. Lena so tata
3 points.
Lena so tata nayo so buya nayo buya nayo inebeke bathi no mama kozanga
Unjani Sithibo?
Ngiyaphila.
Igama Lungisando osuke KZN. Ngifuna ukutshela yodwa Sithibo. Le game le besend message. Buza message ethini?
Ithini bhuti?
We first team eChiefs. Akuyona first team lebedlana. IDDC. So si send message ukuthi kwiNetbank ifinal. I-first team izothola into ethola namhlanje. Ngiyabonga Sithibo send message. Fina send message kwi-first team.
Amakosa ngavoni.
Yeah, sharp.